How to install Entity Framework in VS Code. Let's have a look at how to install Entity Framework in VS Code. So here I have an application that will use a SQLite database and I want to install Entity Framework. So how do I do this in VS Code? So what you need to do is go to File, View, and then open up the terminal. You can also use shortcut Control plus apostrophe or a single quote character on your keyboard. So if you select that, your terminal will open up. And in order to install Entity Framework, you need to be in a specific project. So here you can see I am in this project called console one, but here the path that has opened up is actually Entity. So if I have a look at the folder structure I'm in, so over here you can see this is the folder path I am here. So I am under C shared projects and Entity, and then I've got a subfolder here, console app 1. So what I want to do is use the change directory cd command and then type in con and then press the tab key on your keyboard, and this will populate the remainder of the folder name for you. Press enter, and now you can see I am in this directory over here. So now I can use the command .net add package. So here I want to use Microsoft Entity Framework and I want to use the core version, and I want to use SQLite version. So you can get different versions of this. So for example, rather than using SQLite, I could use the SQL Server version. So, but in this instance, I want to use SQLite, and then I can press enter. Now notice again, because I'm in this folder, it's going to look for this proj file and add a reference there. So if I open up the proj file here, you can see this is what it looks like at the minute, and you can see Entity Framework is nowhere mentioned. But if I run this command over here, so I've just run that command, and you can see that what it has done, it just added in item group referencing. So this is a package reference. So here you can see it's added in a package reference. So this is the package reference, and it's going to include Entity Framework SQLite, and that's the version that's getting installed. So now what will happen is our errors have gone away, and now we can use this code here. So if I run this, and you can see that my program works and I get the desired outputs, and in the bin folder, you can see that it's created a school database file over here as well. So I hope this makes sense in terms of installing Entity Framework in your environment within VS Code.